Online surveys. These are questionnaires provided by companies or organizations to gather feedback, opinions, or market research data from users. Participants answer questions about products, services, or general topics, and in return, they are often rewarded with money, gift cards, or points. Micro-tasks. These are small, simple tasks that require minimal time and effort to complete. They can include activities like data entry, content moderation, transcriptions, image labeling, or platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker. Micro-workers often host such tasks.
What is online tutoring or teaching? Online tutoring involves delivering lessons, lectures, or personalized academic support to students via digital platforms. These platforms can include video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, dedicated e-learning websites, or apps. Types of online teaching: one-on-one tutoring, personalized sessions focusing on the specific needs of a single student. Group classes, teaching multiple students simultaneously, often following the structured syllabus. Recorded lessons, pre-recorded videos or materials that students can access at their convenience. Advantages of online tutoring: flexibility. Students and teachers can choose convenient times and locations. Wider reach. Teachers can connect with students worldwide. Cost-effective, often more affordable than in-person classes, saving time and travel expenses. Diverse tools. Use of multimedia tools like videos, interactive quizzes, and simulations enhances learning.